Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Taurus. These are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with each and everyone. So please take the messages wisely, and at the end of the reading I will pull some advice cards for you from the unicorn deck. Okay, so I am going to start with the monthly reading for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus rising sign of Taurus. And please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you. Okay, so now we will start with the reading. What are the messages for the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the Taurus for the month of August? Please guys, let us know what are the messages for the Taurus. Okay, first is 5 of Cups, 8 of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so we will see why we will pull the clarifier why the 5 of Cups is here, why the 5 of Cups is here. Why the 5 of Cups is here. Okay, 6 of Rods, Swords, 2 of Wands, King of Pentacles. You might be dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you might be coming into your energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, King of Pentacles. You might be going to your family. You are feeling, you are right now focusing on the empty cups in front of you. Okay, but you are not seeing the 2 cups. There is a hope, but you are focused on the 3 cups which are spilled over here. So you are not seeing things properly. So you have to come out of your stress, come out of your negative energy, negative thoughts, and change. You have to change your mindset. You have to turn your back, because there is a 2 of Cups. Okay, 2 of Cups is a uh, lover's card. Okay, so it might be your love offer, or it might be your work which for which you are very passionate. Okay, so you have to move to the come to the family. Okay, this card is going away. Okay, now you are coming to the your family. Okay, you have to come out of this negativity. Okay, you have to come out of your internal and external conflicts. Okay, you have to analyze the things properly. There are so many conflict in your mind. Some of you, I am able to see that you might be thinking for the travel. Okay, and that travel might be through the water, because there are 2 cards of the water traveling. Okay, water. So, and it might be the world travel, or you might be thinking for the travel. Okay, or might be planning for the travel, which will be uh, bring you in your form. King of Pentacle. You are a Taurus, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You will be grounded, you will be nurturing, you will be caring, and you will be abundant. Okay, so you have to come out of this energy. Okay, so we will see why the 8 of Cups is here. You are thinking that in your mind there are so many fantasies, you have so many options, you are thinking for the so many options, you have so many options, but you have to take care to choose the option. Okay, because there are options, but still they are, some options are not right for you, some options are perfect for you. So you have to think properly on the illusion. These are the illusions. Okay, these are your mind thoughts that you are having so many options. Okay, So I will pull some clarifier for the Seven of Cups, or you might be dealing with the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Okay, Five of Wands in reverse, Page of Swords. You don't want to clear the air. Okay, there are battles, so you have to come out of that battles. You have so many conflicts in your mind because you have so many options. I told you, you have to choose wisely. You have so many thoughts in your mind, or it might be the fighting with the people around you, that you might be wanting some option, but your family, your friends, or your colleagues, or your family members are not allowing you to take that option. Okay, so you are just battling with them, but you have to come out of all the battles. Okay, you are not ready to clear the air. Okay, whatever the thoughts are there, you have to clear the air, and you have to take the action. Okay, rather than thinking, you have to take the action for this. Okay, rather than the battlement, you have to come out of the battlement. Some of you, this is the mental conflict. I told you, this might be the mental conflict, internal external conflict in your mind. Or some of you, this will be the physical, in the physical world, you are fighting with the people. Or some of you, the battlement has been over, but you are not ready to take the actions for the whatever the options you have for you. Okay, so you have to take a action. Okay, so I will see why the Ace of Pentacle in reverse. Why the Ace of Pentacle in reverse? Why the Ace of Pentacle in reverse? Okay, Three of Pentacles in reverse. Why the Ace of Pentacle in reverse? Why the Ace of Pentacle in reverse? Okay, you have to be you have to be passionate, or you have to be you have put some patience in you. Okay, you have lot of burdens, you have lot of responsibility, you are taking lot of responsibility, even though it is not necessary, but still you are thinking with a lot of unnecessary responsibilities. Okay, so you have to take all your burdens off. Okay, because you are not able to seeing the options. For some of you, this message can be resonating, because you in your mind, I told you, in your mind you are thinking that you have so many options, but still you are not ready to take the actions. Okay, because you have so many responsibility, or even for some of you there are not responsibilities, but you are thinking that you have so many responsibilities for your family. Okay, the 10 is the completion card. Okay, and this person is just reaching to the goal. So you are now reaching to the goal, and you have to put your burden off, and you have to be patient. Okay, the strength is you have some strength in you. This lady is handling the lion who is very angry. Okay, she is handling with lot of care and courage. Okay, so you have to be put courage and strength in you. Okay, while doing all this work. Okay, because your cycle is going to end, whatever the battles, whatever the problems are going to end. Okay, that's why you have some problem in expanding your career, expanding your family, leveling up your education, leveling up your work life, leveling up your family life. Okay, that's why you are not seeing that the money is coming to you. Universe is offering you the offering you the new opportunities, new beginnings. It will be come into your life, but you have to be take off all your burdens. Okay, unnecessarily. For some of you it is necessarily burdens. It is the you have so many responsibilities, but don't worry, because this cycle is going to end. Okay, 10 is a completion card, that will going to end. Okay, and this person is near to his goal. See, you can see the home and the village. Okay, so he is just putting the burdens off. So you have to be putting your burden off, then you can see the everywhere. Okay, everywhere you can see, and then only you will see the opportunity for you. Opportunity will knock your door, but you have to come out of your responsibility. You have to be courage. You have to be courageous. You have some patience. You have some strength in you, okay, and manifest the things whatever you want. Time is there, because all the things are coming into the divine timing. But till now you and that's why you are feeling that you are facing some problems in expanding career, job, education, or whatever it is, work life, okay. So I will pull some. See, bottom of the deck is a king of cups, then only the offer will come to you, okay. That might be the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, okay, who is ready to offer their cup to you. And it might be you, who are having water in their chart. You are ready to take the you are ready to offer your cup to anyone, okay. So means you want to the desire person, okay. Now I will pull some advice cards for you from the unicorn decks. Please unicorns, let us know for the Taurus August 2020 what are the advices for the Taurus. The advices, guidance for the Taurus. Surprise. See, I told you, you have to put your burden off, then you can see everywhere, okay. And then the offers will, universe will, the opportunity will knock your door, okay. Those so surprises are coming to you, okay. Look for the unexpected today, okay. Look for the unexpected things. You will find the unexpected things happening with you, okay. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is the stability will come into your life, okay. So you have to turn your back, because there is a wish fulfillment. There is a your whatever you want, whatever you desire, your two of cups is here, but you just have to turn your back and see the things clearly, okay. So you have to be open your third eye chakra, okay. The second card is wisdom. 3 plus 2 is 5. So positive changes are coming to you. Act with the wisdom and people will respect you. I told you, you will right now you are facing some problems in leveling up your degree, leveling up your family, expanding your career, okay. But as you put your all the burden off, then only you will see the opportunity. So act with the wisdom, then only people will respect you, okay. Act with the wisdom. So what are the messages for the Taurus for the August 2020? Dignity. 6. Hold your head up high and know the unicorns are supporting you. God is supporting you, unicorns are supporting you, okay. So you just have to take all the blessings in you for you, okay. 4 5 6. So you are this is the leveling up, okay. You are going to on a spiritual journey, or you are on the some growing stage, okay. So hold your head up high and know the unicorns, gods, universe are blessings you, supporting you. Take the blessings from the universe and the God, okay. Listening. 33. 6. Again the 6. So listen and the answer will be revealed. So you have to listen to your intuition. Listen to some of you, the God is giving you the insights, okay. I told you, you have to open your third eye chakra, open your heart chakra. If you clear all the clutter, whatever the negative things, whatever the 3 of cups spilled over here, you have to leave it, okay. Let it go, clear the air, okay. Right now you are not ready to clear the air, okay. Page of swords is clearing the air, but you have to clear the air, okay. You have to come out of this energy, okay. Then only you will able to listen whatever the guidance God is giving you, okay. Create a new room for the listening, okay. Clear the clutter from your mind, okay. So scale is going to be balanced, and the bottom of the deck is the Archangel Raphael. Call in the pure white light, okay. So you just have to call the god, you just have to call the universe with the pure heart, and they will gives you the abundance blessings. Okay, so you just have to be listen, and then you can pray the god with the pure heart. Okay, so this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you, and let me know your stories, whatever what the resonating part is here. And please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please share it to your friends and family if the readings are resonating with you. Okay, so stay tuned with the Tarot Galaxy 1111 for the more updates. Okay, and you can connect with me with the Instagram. I will share my link description down below, and if you want some personal reading, I will offer that also. Okay, so if you want some personal reading, so I will offer that also. Okay, bye bye, take care.